Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to Viber international calls. So, I'll be teaching you guys a very easy step. So just follow me guys, and if you have any queries, just let me know down in the comment section right away. So firstly, what you need to do is just go to your Viber and then go to calls, and over here, over here you'll find this option which is this dial pad or keypad option. Just go over there and just type the number, or let's say type the international call number that you want to do. So firstly, just have the code and just type the number. Firstly, let's say a code 81, and then just type the number blah 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 and just call it from here. So that's how you do it guys. So that's pretty much. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just comment down below guys. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.